Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to swatch all the new makeup. And by new makeup, I mean the recent makeup that I personally hauled. First, I'm going to start with some Dollar Tree items I found. Now, if I've used these products, I will give you a little bit of insight so you will know. This is the LA Colors Liquid Shimmer Highlighter in Candlelight. Yes, in Candlelight. Now, you can mix this with your foundation. You can use it as a highlight. You can wear this as a blush, eyeshadow, whatever you want to do. Just make sure that you are blending it out. I did use this as a highlight. It is very nice and bright, beaming highlight. But I always find that liquid highlights are a little bit difficult to blend out. So, but other than that, nice product. Okay, next up we have the LA Colors Loose Face and Body Shimmers. I have Pixie Dust, which is a blue one. I have Fairy Dust, it's purple, and Magical Dust, which is like a pink peach shade. And I have not used these like in a manner to really give a super good review, but I did dab a little of this on my eyelid in a makeup look I done, and the shimmers do fall on your face. So if you're not a fan of that, you may not be a fan of these, you can use them however you want to. These shades are a little bit unconventional, but I think this would make a beautiful highlight mixed with a champagne kind of highlight. I think it would be absolutely stunning. And but just keep in mind, these are very, very shimmery. Next up we have the Milani Hypnotic Lights Eye Toppers, and this one is #1 in Luster Light. Now this one's kind of like a gold shimmery eye topper with like a little shift of like red in there. Very, very beautiful. I tried this on my eyes. It lasted all day long. It did not crease. And very nice. I love the applicator, applied very nicely. And this was $10, totally worth it. I'm getting the rest of the shades. Like, these are supposed to be comparable to Stila. So, I don't know about that, but this was really good. The NYX Ultimate Bright eyeshadow palette. I have not tried this yet. I'm in love with it though. We're in the middle of winter basically, and it's not the time for these kind of eyeshadows, but I still may work them in a look. I just love looking at this eyeshadow palette for now. I am going to insert swatches, of course, and I got this on sale for like $12.59, I believe, so under $13, and I think it's still retailing for $20 in stores. So I was really happy to find that on Walmart.com for that. Nice, bright, vibrant shades. Next up we have the Kiss and Tell Cherry Cherie Creamy Nude Lipsticks. Now I have not tried these out yet, but I still wanted to give you guys some swatches of these, and they're only $4.88 at Walmart. I don't know when this video will go live, maybe after Christmas, so maybe you got your hands on this already. Hopefully you did. Now the nude lipsticks, the liquid lipsticks from her, or well, this brand, amazing, amazing. I use them all the time. Nice, soft, creamy. So I'm assuming these will probably be very similar in formula. So I'm gonna swatch them. Next up, if I can get this all in frame, is the Hard Candy Kiss and Makeup. This is the 20-piece lip set. So you have your mattes, demi mattes, shiny, and glitters, and you get a coupon for a full-size hard candy product. I feel like you literally cannot beat that. This is an amazing deal, and I tried one of the Wet Ever shiny lip products the other day, and I am in love. Oh my. I don't own any kind of liquid stuff from Hard Candy for their lips, so I was excited to find this, excited to try it, and I want to swatch all 20 for you. Next up and final item that we actually are going to swatch in this video, and that's the Hard Candy's Earthy Vixen. Yes, I have had a chance to use this. This is $10, and this is their new shimmery slash matte kind of palette, and it comes with brushes, like a brush here and a sponge applicator, and I love that they tape it in. I like the nice assortment of shades in here. You can do wearable, colorful, you know, dramatic, anything you want to. I love this concept. So we are going to do swatches. I have used it, and the shades, I've used this palette twice. They're so nice and creamy, soft, pigmented. Yeah, you get a little bit of blowback in the pans, maybe a little fallout on your face. It's not the end of the world. It's not the biggest deal. This is a really good palette for $10. Now, I do have the other palettes. We're going to do swatches of this one now. I wanted to mention something that I saw in a swatch video of someone duping the TooFaced GingerBreadMan palette. I kind of been salivating over that palette, and I don't want to splurge the $50 on it. I've been buying makeup like crazy lately, and $50 is a big purchase, you know, for an eyeshadow palette that I'm probably only going to use a few times, to be honest. I just want it. I think it's so cute. So I was watching a dupe video that I came across, and guess what? Hard Candy duped that TooFaced palette, the GingerBreadMan one, way before it was even out. Yes, and here's that palette. It's their Rose Gold palette. I'm not seeing the name. Anyways, it's the Rose Gold palette. $10 at Walmart, almost shade, and it doesn't look like it upon just looking at it that it would dupe it, but very close, almost identical swatches when she done her swatches, and this is $10 versus $50. So if you want that palette and you already have this in your collection, then you can dupe any look you see using that TooFaced palette. So I thought it was really neat, and I had to share it with you guys. Rose Gold Hard Candy palette is dupe for TooFaced GingerBreadMan. I thought a few of you would appreciate that, because I surely did when I seen it. Now, that's going to conclude all the swatches. If you want more in-depth kind of review on some of the products when I get a chance to actually test them out, just let me know in the comments section below what products you want to see. So stay tuned for more videos. Like the video, comment, subscribe, ring the bell if you haven't already, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Happy holidays.